So you've ordered yourself a Model 30 Swift box from Action for Swifts, and they come in a flat pack, and I'm going to show you how to assemble them. These boxes are absolutely brilliant, and to make it easier for everyone and to keep the cost down, they're sent out as flat pack, and you've got everything you need to assemble it. Okay, so here's the pack laid out for one of the boxes. This is the back. These are the two sides. We've got the base here with that awesome little nest cup. We've got the front and then the roof. And that's the order we're going to be putting it together as well. And you've also got a dilly little packet of screws. And the only tool we're going to need is a posi screwdriver. Okay, so step one, we're going to be starting with the sides and the back. And we'll peel this protective layer of film off. And when we're doing this, we want to keep the shiny sides to the outside. This PVC is fully waterproof. And another good thing about the white is it does help to reflect some of the heat, which is really important for keeping that nest cool. So in order to help give you a nice straight edge, we put the back down and we use one of the sides. And bear in mind, these are slightly different, these sides, to get them the right way around. We put the edge on there, we hold it up nice and square, and then we put our screws in. And then we can simply screw these screws in just like this. And then we repeat that on the other side. And you'll notice I've got the chamfered edge of the back at the top to line up with the sides, with the slope for the roof. Now do refrain from using a power tool when you're putting this box together. Just use a hand screwdriver. You could easily damage it by rushing it using a drill. Right, that's both the sides in, nice and square. We're gonna peel that off the back. And now we're gonna put the base in. So we put it down that way round, the bigger slope on the top, and we put that in the bottom with the nest cup facing up. And just like that, now we're going to screw it in. Right, so now we're on to step 4. We've got this far, now we're going to be putting the front on. And the important things to remember when we're putting the front on is that the top of the front is level with the top of the rest of the box, and the hole is the opposite end of the nest cup. So I find it a bit easier to flip it up on its head and screw it in that way round. Right, so that's the main part of the box together, and on to step 5. Step 5 is the really easy step. You've got your roof. You simply peel this protective film off, and within the roof you'll notice this wooden section to help it line up with below. The longer bit goes over the front of the box. Put it in there like that, and you'll be taking this lid off again when you install it. So again, 2 screws in the side. And that is the Action for Swifts Model 30 box fully assembled. It's a little beauty. And when it comes to installing your Swift box, you're going to want to take the lid off and make your own fixing holes in the back to suit your location. Pay attention to the best location for installing a Swift box. Basically, you want to be 4.5 meters or higher, out of direct sunlight, out of prevailing winds, quite often tucked up under a soffit. And that's the way to do it.